Viral finance marketing campaigns are rare but incredibly powerful when they hit the mark. In an industry often seen as dry or complex, breaking through the noise to engage millions requires creativity, timing, and deep understanding of your audience. Today, we are exploring some of the most viral finance marketing campaigns and what marketers can learn from their success to apply in 2025 and beyond. One common thread among viral finance campaign is relatability. Success brands create content that connects emotionally, whether through humor, storytelling, or tapping into shared financial struggles. For example, campaigns that spotlight real life money challenges like budgeting struggles or debt payoff journeys resonate deeply because they reflect the audience reality. This authenticity builds trust and encourages shaping, which is the foundation of virality. Another key element is simplicity. Finance can be complicated, but viral campaigns distill complex ideas into clear, memorable messages using simple visuals, catchy slogans, or engaging narrative makes content more accessible. This helps simplify topics like investing, credit scores, or insurance marketing audience feel more confident about taking action. Brands that succeed at the often use bite-sized videos or infographic optimized for social media sharing. Timing and cultural relevance also play major roles. Viral campaigns often ride the wave of trending topics, events, or social media movements. For insurance, finance brands that align their messaging with economic shifts, such as stimulus package or inflation concerns, captured massive attention. Being nimble or responsive in your marketing strategy allows brand to stay top of your mind and join conversation that matter their audience. Leveraging influence and user-generated content can supercharge virality. Finance marketing are increasingly partnership with creators who have loyal following and authentic voices. These influencers humanize financial products and services, making them more reliable and trustworthy. Encouraging users to share their stories and experiences also create organic reach and social proof that drive engaging. Data driven targeting is essential to ensure viral companies reach the right people using analysis and audience segmentation. Marketers can tailor message that different demographic, maximizing relevance and shareability. This precision prevents wasted budget and increases the chances that your campaign resonate and spread within specific communities. Interactive and gamified content is another trend fueling viral success. Finance trends that incorporate quiz, challenge, or reward create a particularly experience that invites sharing. This is not only boost engaging but also educate audience in a fun, memorable way. In 2025, blending education with entertainment will be crucial for standing out in financial marketing. Measuring success beyond just views or likes is important. Viral campaigns should drive meaningful action like website visit, sign-ups, or download. Tracking these metrics helps marketers understand the real impact and optimize future campaigns.